Hello everyone, welcome back to Better Homes Designs, where we help you build the beautiful life you've always dreamed of. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family today. We're exploring one of the most serene and sought-after architectural trends of 2026, the modern Japandi house exterior. If you've been dreaming of a home that feels like a peaceful sanctuary from the moment you pull into the driveway, you're in the right place. We're going to break down exactly what makes this style so special, why it's more than just a passing trend, and how you can achieve this look for your own home at its core. Japandi is a beautiful hybrid style that blends the rustic, warm minimalism of Japanese design with the functional, clean-lined elegance of Scandinavian Scandi aesthetics. When applied to a house exterior, it creates a look that is profoundly balanced. It draws from the Japanese concept of wabi-sabi, which finds beauty in imperfection in nature, and the Scandinavian concept of hygge, which prioritizes comfort and well-being. A modern Japandi exterior isn't just about looking modern, it's about creating a timeless facade that feels grounded, intentional, and deeply connected to the natural world. One of the greatest benefits of a Japandi exterior is the sense of psychological peace it provides. By stripping away unnecessary ornamentation and focusing on natural materials like wood, stone, and concrete, the home becomes a visual reset for the eyes. Beyond aesthetics, this style is highly functional and sustainable. Japandi homes often utilize passive design principles, such as large windows for natural light and deep roof overhangs to regulate temperature, which can significantly improve energy efficiency. The use of durable, low-maintenance materials like charred wood or composite cladding also means your home will age gracefully with minimal upkeep, making it a smart long-term investment for both your wallet and your mental health. To make your Japandi exterior truly shine, you should focus on the less is more philosophy while playing with textures. Start with a restrained, neutral color palette. Think soft whites, muted grays, and earthy browns that allow the architectural lines to take center stage. Avoid cluttered decorations. Instead, let the materials themselves be the decor. Create visual interest by contrasting different textures, such as pairing smooth, light-colored concrete walls with vertical timber slats or a rough stone entryway. Landscaping should also feel intentional but not overly manicured. A simple Zen garden with raked gravel or a few structural plants, like Japanese maples, can bridge the gap between your home and nature perfectly. When choosing items for your exterior, prioritize quality and natural origin. Vertical timber cladding or batten screens are iconic Japandi elements that provide both privacy and a beautiful play of light and shadow. For lighting, look for minimalist, low-profile fixtures in matte black or bronze that disappear during the day but provide a warm, inviting glow at night. Large, floor-to-ceiling glass sliding doors are essential for creating that seamless indoor-outdoor flow. For the finishing touches, consider a simple, high-quality wooden front door, sleek metal house numbers, and perhaps a small, tranquil water feature near the entrance to introduce the calming sound of nature. And now, let's inspire your dream build and to show you exactly what this looks like. Here are our top 10 best modern Japandi house exterior ideas that showcase incredible innovation and style. One, the balanced earthy retreat. This stunning design showcases the perfect harmony between warm wood siding and a clean off-white facade. The large, inviting front door and the simple stone path create a welcoming entrance that feels both modern and deeply grounded in nature. 2. The geometric slat design. In this concept, the use of vertical wooden slats provides a beautiful rhythmic texture to the upper level of the home. This technique not only offers privacy but also allows light to filter through in a way that mimics the calm atmosphere of a traditional Japanese forest. 3. The Minimalist monochrome villa, focusing on a more Scandinavian-leaning palette. This home utilizes various shades of gray and charcoal. The sharp architectural lines are softened by integrated planter boxes, bringing a touch of biophilic design to a sleek modern structure. 4. The floating glass pavilion. This idea emphasizes the indoor-outdoor flow that is so central to Japandi living. Massive floor-to-ceiling windows are framed by thin timber accents, making the home feel like a light-filled pavilion that sits lightly on the land. 5. The Zen garden facade. Here we see how landscaping defines the architecture. The house exterior acts as a backdrop to a meticulously designed dry garden. The contrast between the dark cladding and the light gravel creates a sophisticated meditative curb appeal. 6. The natural stone and timber fusion. This design highlights the beauty of raw materials. By combining rough-cut natural stone walls with smooth cedar panels, the exterior gains an incredible depth of texture that celebrates the wabi-sabi philosophy of finding beauty in natural elements. 7. The cantilevered modernist, showcasing a bold architectural move. This house features a large cantilevered roof section that provides a deep protected porch. The underside is finished in warm wood, creating a cozy high feeling for anyone approaching the front door. 8. The urban Zen box, perfect for smaller lots. This compact design uses clever layering of materials to create a sense of space. The mixture of light render and dark metal accents gives it a contemporary edge, while the wooden entryway keeps it feeling warm and residential. *********9. The asymmetrical gabled home, a modern take on the classic Scandi cabin. This house features a dramatic asymmetrical roofline. The use of light-toned timber across the entire facade creates a monolithic yet soft and approachable appearance that stands out in any neighborhood. ****10. The secluded screen residence. This final idea uses large-scale wooden screens to wrap the exterior, providing a sense of mystery and seclusion. It's a masterclass in Japandi privacy, where the home feels like a private sanctuary tucked away from the outside world. Your home into a modern Japandi masterpiece is about more than just a renovation. It's about adopting a lifestyle of simplicity, quality, and harmony. By focusing on natural materials and clean, intentional lines, you create a space that doesn't just look beautiful on camera, but feels genuinely restorative to live in. Whether you're building from scratch or just looking to update your home's facade, the Japandi style offers a timeless blueprint for a better home. If you found these ideas inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architecture and decor inspiration. We'd love to hear from you. Which of these 10 ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're ready to start your Japandi journey, check out our links in the description for some of our favorite modern Japandi design resources. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.